Hi, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and today I'm going to be doing a little Monday reset for the week. I didn't get a chance to do it Sunday, so we're doing it today. I need to change my sheets. I didn't do them yesterday. So do laundry, vacuum, just a nice little refresh for the week. I'm really excited. I hope this motivates you and you clean along with me. First off, I wanted to go through my PR packages that I got last week. The first one is from Mason Margiela. It is the Beach Walk perfume. It literally smells so amazing. I've never had a perfume that smells like this, but I was like instantly reminded of the beach. It's like a nice, elegant, beachy, breezy smell. Next is from It Cosmetics. It is their new Glow with Confidence Sun Blush and Cream Blush Brush. I've already used it because I was going to the beach when I got it and I needed a little bit of flush to my cheeks. Oh my god. I needed some blush on my cheeks and I was curious to try these out, so I popped them open really quick. I got the colors Sun Blossom 20 and Sunlit 10. This is what they look like. I tried this one obviously, so I'm gonna try this one now. Lightly tap the brush into the jar and apply to the apples of your cheeks for a lifted sun-kissed glow. So this is the Sun Blossom 20 that I have on right now. Wow, so gorge. For Father's Day, Kiehl's actually sent me their Father's Day mailer. It's so cute. Skincare gifts Dad would approve of. It has a picture of the Kiehl's founder right here. They included their face wash and deodorant cream, an ultra facial barrier, ultra facial cream, and the Ultimate Man body scrub soap. So yeah, I'm giving this to my dad. I already told him about it, but they were actually in the process of moving, so I have to get their new address from them. Next thing is from Olaplex. Can't believe they sent me these products. This is the shampoo, conditioner, and hair perfector. So excited. I haven't tried them yet. I need to try them. Their washing day is coming up, so I will do it soon. I got the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm so freaking excited to try it. Lastly, Tinkle Teaser. And in such a cool package. This is the Ultimate Detangler Plant Brush. This is what it looks like. Available for all hair types, the revolutionary plant-based detangler brush. I love it. I'm a huge fan of Tinkle Teaser. I have a ton of their brushes, and that is all the PR for the week. Now it's time to strip my bed. My laundry only takes quarters, so I have to make sure I have quarters every time. Got some groceries from Costco on Instacart, and these are the last things that I still have to put away. Here's an overview of my fridge. I always get these Oikos yogurts. They have 15 grams of protein, and I like all three flavors. They mixed berry, the vanilla, and then the strawberry flavor. Some strawberries. I got some sliced cheddar cheese, almond milk obviously, a case of feta in the back because I want to make the TikTok feta pasta. That's some hummus. I think I got some zucchini and squash down here, a bag of edamame. I'm gonna bring one of these to my work and keep one at home because at work I tend to snack on terrible things, so I'm gonna snack on edamame from now on. This is stuck, but it's a case of spring mix, and then underneath is a bag of spinach that I got. I also got 2 packs of Dave's Killer Bread. This is my favorite bread ever. It's so good. I had to get some more mayo, so I got just like this one. And then my freezer is literally jam-packed. I got sweet potato fries, frozen veggies. I have some grass-fed ground beef in here. I think I got 3 packs of those, and then 4 packs of ground turkey, and then I already have this ground turkey in here. I think I have some shrimp in here, so I'm gonna start going through my meats because now I'm like fully stocked up. And then I got these dragon fruit mango passion fruit blend. You can turn them into a like smoothie bowl. It's my go-to in the summertime. Love these, so had to just stick them where they fit. Got a rotisserie chicken. It's just sitting like in the pot because I just got so lazy and I didn't do anything with it. But I'm gonna like open it and cut it up right now. Also got artichoke hearts. And then I wanted a protein powder because if I ever want to make a smoothie, I just want to make sure I have like protein powder to throw in there. So yeah, I've never tried this one before, so we'll see if it's good. This chicken, I always put this in my wraps. I love pasta, so I got this. It's like 3 different kinds of pasta, or 4 different kinds. Prego sauce here, and some quinoa and brown rice, a few organic avocados. My laundry's done, so let's go downstairs to grab it. It's not done yet. We'll be back. Okay, so we ran out of quarters, but we got most of the laundry done. I'll finish the last of it tomorrow. Now we're gonna make some dinner. We got a rotisserie chicken from Costco, so I'm just gonna grab a leg, maybe a little piece of the breast, and then some rice, and then maybe put some choke hearts on top of the whole thing. We'll see what we come up with. So my bed is all clean. I put away all of my laundry, so it looks really, really good. Now I have these shoes here, and this is gonna be for donation, but it's honestly been sitting here for so long. I'm gonna force myself to do it this week for sure. These are PR packages slash like extra makeup that don't fit in my makeup desk, which actually so excited because I just ordered a brand new vanity on Amazon. It's supposed to come like July 2nd, so next Wednesday, I believe. So I'm really, really excited about that. I think I'm gonna put it right here. This vanity has actual drawers and a lot of storage. See like all these drawers here. Oh yeah, and then there's a little glass top so you can see the stuff on the top and make it all cute. I'm so excited for that. Let's clean up this vanity a little bit so it doesn't look scary to look at every morning. I have just like so many products. That's why that vanity is gonna come in handy when it does come in. So this is kind of how it has to be for now. I always charge my Apple Watch right here, so I'm gonna leave that. Guys, it's a Monday reset, and today I'm gonna finally, oh, can you even see this? I'm gonna finally start this book. I've been procrastinating starting this book for so long. I was like in a self-help place when I got this book. It was a gift. I want to make sure I'm expanding my mind and I'm reading stuff that's good for me and not only entertaining. I was like, I'm gonna hold off on it. Never read it. I've had it for almost a year now. But yeah, we're gonna start it tonight, so I'm super excited. Looking so much better. The floor is super clean. This stuff is for donation. I'm gonna get rid of this in the Hoka box there. Everything's looking really good. Don't worry, this will be organized and really nice by next week once we have the new vanity. And I'm hoping that maybe I can shove some of this camera equipment either in those drawers of the vanity at the bottom or just go through it all and make it look a lot nicer. Just walked into my kitchen and I noticed I had some dirty dishes. So because it is Monday and I'm trying to go into the week on a positive note, we're gonna go ahead and do them. bed is all made. I'm so excited to lay in it. It looks so good. I'm so happy with how much I got done today. We literally conquered so much on a Monday. I'm so proud of myself and I'm proud of you guys. I hope this inspired you guys to get a little something done, but I will go back to resets on Sundays just because after work it is so freaking hard to do this. Also, really quick before I go, look at these really pretty yellow carnations I got. And this vase is from Amazon. But look how gorgeous these are. They're so pretty and they really light up the room. I just put them like right here. Needed to show that really quick. They're so cute. I'm so ready to go to bed and ready to conquer the week, honestly. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.